Oh, good afternoon there, guys. Here we are down at the allotment. So, haven't put a video up in a while, but been a bit busy, one thing and another. But the plot is slowly coming together, so I'll just swivel the camera around and take you on a little tour. So, if we start here, it's by the shed. I've cleared out this area, put my table up, lawnmower just about fits underneath, so that's good. I've easy access to the water butt, so that's a bonus. This cold frame, I'm going to take the polycarbonate top off and cover it with netting, because it contains all my flower pots, seed trays, etc., which if I keep the polycarbonate on the top, the heat will melt some stuff, as I found out last year. Mainly the cheaper plastic one-use type thing, but don't want that to happen again. This is the main strawberry bed in that pot there. This one, I've got spring onions in there, a couple of little gem lettuce in there that just decided to make use of that little trough, really. Got wildflower seeds in there, but they've not come through yet. In here, in this one, I do believe, yes, that's the second sowing of beetroot along there. Some of them are just starting to poke through. Silver skin onions in there, but more weeds than anything else. Carrots haven't done anything there, but I've got more in that trough, which is not ideal, but I've got some more at home. So what's in these? Oh yes, turnips along here, so another row there. The onions are looking good. As you can see by the label there, maybe, I've got parsnips just, but I don't think they're going to come through. And just behind us in here, see if I can get this up so you can actually see what's in there. Yeah, there's all year round cauliflower in there, which are doing really well. Moving along from that cane up to that cane that's fallen over. Got first early potatoes in, 2 rows of them. Had to earth them up twice already. Here's the broad beans and the lettuce. They're doing really well in there. Mustn't grumble at them. And then in here there's another strawberry bed, and then along here on this trellis, first lot of meteor peas, and then Go around here. This fruit tree, that's got some lovely flowers on there. And then we go to the garlic. As you can see, I've lost a couple. Don't know what happened there. Looks like they've been trampled on. Then in here, got another sowing of peas in there, and I believe at the back there that could either be cabbage or cauliflower. Lost the label, so at the front here, really taken off, is the Brussels sprouts. Got sunflowers in that tray there, so they're all doing okay. Sunflowers haven't been in that long, neither of the peas I don't think, but they'll soon be ready to go out. Just kneel down, but at the back here in these I've got Hurst green shaft, and they're not coming through. I don't know whether they've just, whether the seed is too old, or looks pretty dry in here, even though I've watered it. Maybe I should just do them again. Maybe it's not going to be a show, I don't think, for these, but I have got plenty more pea seeds. And then here we have some more sunflowers and golden acre cabbage at the back there. And in here we have little gem lettuce there, calabrese there, iceberg lettuce there, and Savoy cabbage, which has not yet come up, but that's I always forget to put the top on. The top to the propagator, I mean. So that's that part. So we've seen the spuds, seen the cauliflower up there. In here there are leeks. They seem to be going okay. This is the reworked bean frame. It didn't work with the hoops on the top. It made it top heavy, and it was close to going completely over. And in here we have beetroot coming along. They're doing nicely. And in here, 2 rows, starting from there up to there, can see the little trough. Main crop potatoes, and I've got this framework here for peas again. This hoop frame is, I put that there temporarily. I needed to visualize, but I'm going to move it from here over to here, and that's where the Brussels sprouts will go. And with the raspberry canes that I dug out when I first took the plot over, just in creative sort of mood today, so I made some sort of fence. Moving along to the front now, so tulips are past their best, still look nice. Succulents are doing well in there. Got some more bulbs coming up there. More tulips. Empty pots at the moment. Succulents in that one. Succulents in there. Tulips. And we come round here, so out the back, 2 teepees, wigwams, whatever you want to call them. They're sweet peas. And along here I did put in 4 of the canes that I dug up, so they're raspberries there. And then we finish off with the rhubarb. So that's the state of play at the moment. The only thing left to show you is what's happening in here. Excuse the noise. So we got a few things happening in here, not a lot. Got a couple of calibris there, and golden acre cabbage there, but they're really not doing a lot. And in this pot here, I just sowed a few little gem lettuce, same with iceberg in there, 4 o'clock flowers in those, queen red lime zinnias in those, French climbing beans here, and I'm sure anybody who's had an allotment for a while will know what they are, but they're runner beans. Marigolds, they're doing absolutely nothing, and right at the back there, underneath that, is more peas. So that's, oh dear, trouble with a wired microphone. Cable gets caught. Oh dear. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, that's just pause it there. So yeah, that's the state of play at the moment. I'm quite pleased with how it's all turning out here. Since moving to half a plot, I'm certainly enjoying it more. Mainly because there's not so much weeding to do, and general repairs on different things. Just had to let all that go. But anyway, if you would like to hit the like button, subscribe button and make a comment, then I'll get back to you. On that note, I'm now going home for a cup of tea. Cheers guys.